Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Sam's Doing Stuff. Just off the bat, this is not an off-road recovery vehicle channel. This is me doing stuff, and this just happens to be what I'm doing today. So we're demolishing the pool, as you saw in the previous video, and if you haven't seen it, you got to go back and watch that. Wow. Anyway, so yeah, the excavator is stuck. And I think my brother said it best when he said this.
You literally have to be a complete freaking idiot to get one of these things stuck.
You just said it on camera. You know you're about to get it stuck. I told him it was going to jinx him. And it's not that bad. It's just, as a matter of fact, it was a lot more wet and muddy on Saturday when we were working on this than it is now. So, fingers crossed, I should be able to get it out. The first thing he said, it was running low on diesel, of course. Well, it sure makes getting in and out a lot easier when it's down next to the ground. Well, like I said, this is not an off-road recovery channel, but I've seen enough of these videos to know that if you're going to take an excavator out, you need to dig out the dirt that's in front of you first. Oh boy, come on. All right, now it's time to try and get that up on that. I don't want to lift the back end until I have something solid under the front end. The railroad tie is not all the way under the tracks yet. I need to get the railroad tie underneath the tracks before I do anything else. That's the next step. You know what? We're getting another railroad tie. We're going to stick it in. Even though I want it to be sideways, we're going to stick it in under the track, straight in. All right, you get this end. I'll push it with the tractor after. Oh, that's a heavy one.
Yeah, solid.
That's good. Plan B. Okay, now let's see if we can get a hook on this thing. There we go, beautiful. I don't have to play in the mud. Well, there's no reason for you guys to watch all of it. Okay, like I said, this is not an off-road recovery channel, but I have off-road recovery crap.
Because you own heavy equipment.
Yeah. So my definition of stuck is when a machine won't get out on its own power. And sure, my brother will tell me, well, you're just not talented enough, but guess what? It's stuck, John, it's stuck. So, we got the railroad ties underneath it, that's a good thing. Tried to lift the other end, the suction's too great, won't allow me to get the other end up on it, so we're reverting to ropes and pulleys. So what we have here is we are tied off to the excavator directly. Then we got our first snatch block right here with a rope around the tree or strap around the tree, trying not to damage the tree. Then we go all the way back to the excavator. This gives us a multiplier of 2, so twice as much force. And then we go all the way down here to this tree. Now this is simply a redirect. This does not give us any multiplier. It's just a mechanical advantage of pushing me up there. And the reason for the redirect to the back of the truck is so the truck won't run out of driveway. If I were going straight from the excavator back there, it would run out of driveway this way. So the redirect allows it to stay on the driveway and give it as much traction as possible. We're gonna take a small break. We're gonna try and pull this thing out. this out. Holy cow. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna need a minute. Nothing to it. Oh, that's better. It's out. Yeah, I went and took a break. Got some lunch, had a haircut, you know, needed to calm down a little bit. Whew, took 4 hours, 250 feet of tow rope, 3 railroad ties, a Ford F350 and 4-wheel drive low, and 3 snatch blocks to get that thing out. I'll tell you what, I'm a different type of operator. I'm a little bit more novice, so I'm a lot more careful. He may get things done fast, but yeah, I'm gonna push a little bit more dirt here and I'm gonna be easy with it. We're nowhere near finished grade and yeah, it's gonna take a lot more work to do it, but it was fun, wasn't it? Wasn't it fun to watch? It's always fun to watch a recovery video. Anyway, let's take it easy. Let's be careful. Let's not get anything else stuck. And hopefully we'll be doing something different next time when I'm doing more stuff. See you then.